Happy New Year 2025. Hans Schaff here with GoTinyBeFree here at the Cottages at Pine Lake. You can see the lake is frozen over. There was about ½ inch of ice. We've got about 4 inches of snow that's fallen here from last night to this morning. Got a little bit more snow that may be coming later today, and this is probably all the snow that we're going to get for the rest of the season. So enjoy it while it lasts, but it's real nice. It completely changes the look of the property. It's just so serene and peaceful right now. I mean, it normally is anyway, but just this, when everything changes color like this, and just the trees turn color, and got the Christmas lights in the background too for added ambiance. But anyway, I'll take you around real quick, show you what the property looks like here in early 2025. We've got, here's one of the Airbnb tiny houses being worked on. And of course, there's Jim's home, Peace Haven, that is currently available for renting on Airbnb. Take a look at that. He's got that nice deck covering it. There we go. There's, of course, the fence, the front of the property that separates the private residences from the Airbnb section here in the front. And we'll go back around and show you kind of the rest of the tiny houses here. And there's the reindeer. You see the lake is frozen over. There's the tiny houses there in the background. We got 4 there on the backside of the lake. And then there's one other one right there, Charleston. We got a 24-foot RJO here from Incredible Tiny Homes. And there's a 10 by 20 in Credit Cottage. How neat would it be to be staying in one of these tiny homes right now? These are going to be future Airbnbs. But to be able to, there's a train in the background. How neat would it be to be able to come out here and enjoy this snow? I mean, it'll all disappear. It's all going to melt by Monday. You won't even notice that it even happened. So it's real cool. Not something you got to shovel or really deal with other than for a day or two at a time. So this is the extent of the snow that we get here in North Alabama. So I wanted to kind of showcase this for everybody while it was here. The roads are kind of closed, but it's a little bit slushy. It's just above freezing right now. And like I say, we're supposed to get a little bit more snow this evening here, and that'll be it. It's on this Friday here, I think January 10th, 2025. And I got a lot of things in store for the property this year. Real excited to kind of get things off to a running start. It's gonna be a little bit slower getting going, obviously, with the colder weather and the rain and, the saturated soil. But we've got a lot of things going on. We're working on the community clubhouse, getting the laundromat going. So we got a lot of projects going on that will be enhancing the livability of the property here as we're still under development, still kind of building it out. But take a look at this view. This is pretty cool right here. Get around this tree. You can see those Christmas lights kind of twinkling there in the background. And look at that lake. I don't know how much ice we've got. It's probably, like I said, it was ½ an inch before. It wasn't that cold last night, so it's probably obviously built onto it with 4 inches of snow as well. It's got, I don't think it's thick enough to skate on quite yet, so no ice lots, no ice fishing here, but just want to show you, take a look. So peaceful. So that's all for now. Hans Schaff here from the Cottages at Pine Lake. Go Tiny, be free. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like, and let us know your comments down below. What do you think? How does this look to you? Take care. See you in the next video.